Hey guys, what's up? Turbo Tyler here with another awesome video, and today we are getting ready for the RC Monster Truck World Championship. But we only have a couple days left, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 trucks to get ready. So let's get to the hobby shop, get our parts, and let's cue the time lapse. Well, it is currently the next day. We are, I guess, officially back in the hobby store. We got the Hobby Wing 860 dual brush speed controller, just in case my dad burns up his brushless in the TXT. We got some decals, and I got a 59 panel truck body that we are going to paint up for the ground pounder, because the race requires 78 and under, or you're not going to go through tech. So less talking, let's cue the time lapse and get to working on the TXT. So basically what we did so far is we got the speed controller, receiver, everything glued down, cable management nice and done. Got it all directly soldered, all wired up, full wheel steering, and TXT is ready for the championship. Alright guys, next up on the list, numbers are going down. My Kyosho Mad Crusher. Just a couple things that I knew, it's literally brand new, but a couple things I want to improve just off the start. And then we'll get a test and tune. Yep, if you can see already, out of the box, Kyosho. Alright, well, let's do the time lapse. So yeah, what I did is my front steering linkage in the bottom here just kept coming loose, so I wanted loose steering, although everything was working fine. I re-sticky taped everything down. It's nice in there, solid. So yep, let's show you guys the final of this truck. Well guys, here is the finish of my Kyosho Mad Crusher. Everything's ready to go. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, well got a quick package. If this is what I think it is, then we are set for the weekend, hopefully. And it is. Let's go. Alright, so what came is our Ovnix CAR 6200 milliamp batteries right here. So these are the things. These are great. So let's pop them open. Make sure we have everything. These should be 4 in here, if I'm not mistaken. Give me a second. Well, here you have it, guys. The high charge Ovnix CAR 6200 milliamp racing batteries. We got 4. Obviously, the rest are in my other box right here. Well, we are looking good, so let's keep pushing. Next up, we got the Red Kit ground pounder. We're gonna have to get the body prepped and painted, so let's go. Well guys, we are all done preparation. Here is my dad, the Kyosho Mad Crusher, all done, flamed up, work done. We did do this one off camera, not to make the video too long. Here's the TXT fully done. Right here, that's the TXT. And then this is the ground pounder body, how it came out. I think it's really cool. Name on the side, everything. And then here is my Kyosho Mad Crusher. So we are ready to go. Let's see. We'll see you guys at the championship.